everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing and we are going to be unboxing
Meet the World.
Yeah, we're going to be unboxing this box right here from Meet the World. So Meet the World was kind enough to send this to us and do like a little unboxing video and just give us our thoughts about the products and what's inside. So Meet the World is like a subscription company here in Australia, and I think they're fairly new, but yeah, the company likes to travel and they also love to eat as well. So they decided to come up with like a little subscription kind of box, a monthly subscription where you can actually test out foods from all over the world. And for this month they are doing the Italian box. So they sent us the premium Italian box, and I think this box usually retails for around about $45 or $46 or something like that. I will leave the details in the description box or maybe in this video telling you guys how much it is. But yeah, this is the premium box that they have. They also do have like a snack box as well as like a smaller box, but this is the biggest one that they do have. And inside they will usually put in around about 7 to 8 like full-size kind of products for you to try out. So I think this is a great way to try out different foods from different places all around the world. So yeah, let's get on with the unboxing.
Alright, so here's the box. Nice, white, tightly packaged.
So yeah, this is the box. It did come in a paper bag. I mean, not a paper bag. It came in like a paper wrapping, and it had Meet the World sticker right here or around it. I took that off because I didn't want to put my address on the video, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And inside, when you open it,
I'm gonna drop this box.
pretty heavy, isn't it?
Okay.
Alright.
So it's got a card.
What does the
It
card say?
reads, "Hello Explorer, we hope you are excited about your trip to Italy. Enjoy a selection of Italian goodies, including delicious snacks and products to create some tasty dishes. Take a read of your cultural guide to fill you in with some culture, test your knowledge, and easy to follow authentic Italian recipes. We look forward to hearing your thoughts by leaving us a review and answering our questionnaire. We will send you a link soon, and we will really hope you enjoy meeting Italy. Lots of foodie love, Joe and Eddie."
So yeah, thank you Joe and Eddie for sending this to us. So inside you get a little cultural guide here, and it says Italy on it, and it has recipes, trivia questions, interesting facts, food info, language tips, and more. So that's really interesting. Here we got another note from them, and here it says explore Italy. So you got Rome, Venice, Florence, and Milan, and this is everything that's inside the box. So yeah, these are all the products, and then here we have recipes on what you can cook using the ingredients inside the box. So I'm pretty excited for that. And then here we have some trivia questions as well. So going in with our box. All right, so what's the first thing that we got, Bob?
You tell me.
Let's do this one. The first thing that we got here is some coffee. I'm going to have a hard time. That's cool because you can, you know, drink it to work before work for breakfast and
I
stuff.
actually don't mind instant coffee, or it kind of seems like instant coffee.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm actually pretty excited about this. What does it say?
So it says coffee spread into Italy in 1600, with the first coffee house opening in Rome in 1645. So the story Passalacquas began in 1948 with a small 5-kilo coffee roaster and a passion and enthusiasm for coffee. So this is what the brand is, I'm pretty sure.
Passalacqua Cafe.
I can't even say, sorry, excuse my pronunciation for
It
this.
says it's a prodotto of Napoli. What does that mean? It's a product of Napoli. Cool.
Napoli. So yeah, you get 250 grams of coffee in there. Doesn't really show you the prices on here compared to like other subscription boxes, but yeah, that was the coffee. And then moving on, we've got some almond biscuits. So this one's gonna be good with the coffee, Bob.
I love biscuits.
So these crunchy lovelies are Italian almond biscuit cookies that originated in the city of Prato. Now we know the British love of a good biscuit to dunk into their tea, but these twice baked oblong shaped crunchy biscuits are made to be dipped in a drink. So traditionally with Tuscan wine. Is there wine in this box? No wine.
Just have to buy the...
it's typically served after dinner dessert. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try that. I have tried those kind of biscuits before. So yeah, and they're really good. So yeah. All right, moving on. We've got the Pastifico Extra Deluso N.20 Penne Rigate. Sorry, I'm like totally...
Just read the... What is it? It's a pasta.
It's pasta, yeah.
It's
Pretty
pasta.
much it's penne pasta here. So we've got 500 grams of pasta, and hubby is a really big fan of pasta. So we'll be cooking that for dinner this week. So I'll probably do a recipe. Maybe I can follow this one that they have here using the ingredients that they gave, and I will do like a taste test review with hubby. Moving on, we've got the pesto chips. So pesto chips are quick aperitif that is always full of flavor. The unique crispy texture and golden color is given by frying potatoes exclusively in olive oil and sunflower oils. A savory and aromatic snack ideal to create new finger foods and tapas.
So we're going to a picnic event tonight, so I'm gonna bring this.
Are we? No,
Yes.
we do a taste test video on it.
Yeah, like the event.
We don't want to do that. So we've got these chips. We'll do a taste test kind of video on this one separately. And I think that's really good with this one, maybe, the pate. So we've got Costa Lugre pate, porcini and walnuts. So porcini and walnut pate produced in the sunny region of Liguria in the far north of Italy, with a blend of porcini mushrooms and walnuts, perfect for dips and spread. So you can put your pesto chips and dip it in that.
Alright.
Yeah, I
Give it a
think so. We'll give that a go. We'll do a taste test on that one. And then two more items. So we've got the Le Conserve della Nonna Sugo alla Basilico. Yeah, I'm totally like killing all these, but this is
Pretty much
pasta
it says
sauce.
tomato sauce with basil. It says it right there, Bob.
Oh, is it? Okay, so it's tomato sauce with basil, and the secret, the tomatoes are prepared within 24 hours of being picked, and this guarantees product freshness and authenticity, as a typical flavor of tomato is well preserved. So we are going to be using that for our pasta sauce this week, and this one I'm really excited about because I love balsamic vinegar. I love it in dressings. I love it with just like some olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and you dip it with bread. So this is balsamic vinegar of Modena, and vinegars have been traced and dated back in the 3rd millennium BC. So balsamic vinegars are quite dense and cling onto food in which it is drizzled, and these products are recommended with raw fruits and veggies, as well as served with pieces of Parmigiano Reggiano. Sorry guys, I'm totally killing this whole Italian box thing, but I am really excited because me and hubby do really like Italian food. So I'm going to be making up that pasta sometime this week, and then we will do a taste test, as well as doing like a taste test with the other foods that we've got. I'm pretty excited to have the coffee. I'll probably have that tomorrow morning. It's pretty late for coffee now, but yeah, we'll have that tomorrow morning and see how we go. Maybe check out my Instagram, and I will do updates on these products. So yeah, I reckon this is a really great box. It's pretty interesting, especially if you guys are into like trying out different foods from different countries. Like I would never really, you know, in the shop, I wouldn't probably see these brands or try it out unless I go to like a specific, maybe like Italian store or something like that. Then maybe I could probably find these products, but this is definitely like these are definitely products that you will not see from Coles and Woolies and like, you know, Aldi, like normal shopping centers, etc. So I reckon it's great. It's kind of gonna bring us to Italy this week or this month.
It's pretty cool. Like it actually has the
yeah.
trivia question. Like I actually like this booklet. So it gives everything from all different recipes to a little questionnaire that helps you, you know, learn about Italy.
All right,
So-
Lee, I'll give you one. Who does Italy share its borders with?
Next question.
It's so Italy shares its borders with France, Switzerland, Austria, Slovenia, San Marino, and Vatican City. All right, who painted the Last Supper? Okay, you got Michelangelo, Caravaggio,
Can
Giotto,
we
and
look at this
Leonardo
quiz,
da
B?
Vinci.
Look at this quiz.
Leonardo da Vinci, mate.
You want to do this quiz?
It does have, look, this pizza origins. Pizza was invented in Naples, Italy. There are two classic types of pizza, one topped with a simple red sauce and called marinara, and the other topped with tomato sauce and mozzarella called margherita, after Queen Margherita.
So I think after this box we're going to be fully certified Italians.
Yeah, I know. I think so too. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this box, I will leave their details down in the description box. Do check them out. I'm not quite sure what country they are going to have for next month, but yeah, I'm excited to find out as well. And I will do again a review of any of these products either on my Instagram, check it out, it's called Del Madness, or here on YouTube as well. And yeah, that is it. Again, you can catch this box, I'm pretty sure, from their website for around about $46.95 or something like that. Oh my gosh, I don't know the price, but it is fairly cheap and you do get full-size products. It's definitely worth your money, and also it does include free shipping, so you get a box like this monthly if you guys are interested. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and we will see you guys again next time. Bye.